Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Got her all set up. I run a little bit behind my planned schedule, but it's okay. And well, I went over to see where all the dents were. The roof is excellent shape, no dents, and I put blue tape where the dents are. And then across the fender here, a couple there, I mean. Looks like I need to put some blue tape there. I just now seen a buckle up there, right there, so we'll take care of that. And I seen a buckle up over here, so we'll put some blue tape on that. But not very many dents, and there are a lot of little ones. They're nothing major. So let's get to work. So this is going to be my first time using it, a stud welder kit. I've seen some video of it before in the past. It doesn't look all that complicated. A monkey, if you give him 3 bananas, will probably do it. So I'll do it for 2. Anyway, a friend of mine was saying he'd like to see this on video, see how it's done. So we're going to go that route. Okay, so the first thing we do is get this down to bare metal. We're not using a grinding wheel, we're using the sanding disc type wheel to take this off. I don't want to remove metal, I just want to take the paint off. So let the games begin. We got a low right there, a low over here, there, and there. And of course the one I took out right there. So let's get the stud welder up, put together and ready to go. Okay, after I cleaned up the dents, the paint off the dents, I went and put X's where I felt the low spots was by filling by hand. So we take the little stud and we put it in the gun, and then we set it on the hood where the dent, the low spot, and this trigger right here, this button right here, we press down, and that's what makes the weld. I have my X where I want to do it. It's welded on. We take the slide hammer, place, work the little magic wheel until it catches, which it has caught. But it feels like I could use a little more. That's pretty doggone good. Not too crazy about this slide hammer. The slide hammer itself is all right, but this little stupid wheel, oh, I know why some guys put weld vice grips to it, and I'm going to be one of them guys coming up pretty quick. You watch and see. Oh, come on, get off there. There we go. Man, what a pain in the neck. Not too crazy about that stupid wheel. It's not perfectly round. It's oval shape, and it has a narrow on it, and it grabs the rivet. But sometimes it appears to grab it too tight and digs into the copper and doesn't want to let go. I think I'll be one of the guys welding a pair of vice grips to it. But yeah, that definitely took it out a lot. Perfect, actually. So next we'll come and cut these off, and then we'll be ready to clean it up a little bit more one more time with the wheel, and then we'll do some mud over it. There might be spots where actually this one feels like it. You want a pick hammer, just right down there, a little smile and an eyebrow, and that'll help hold this up. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get the pick hammer and do exactly that and bring that up a little bit, because it's still a little low, and I think we can fix that by using the pick hammer. Alright, got the pick hammer here, and I decided instead of fooling with that slide hammer, just get a pair of vice grips going on here. Let's get that adjusted real quick. A little bit more in. Alright, now I can pull up and hit it with the hammer at the same time. And one thing I know for positive, when I've hit the release on the vice grips, I'm done with it. I don't have to fight it with that, like that slide hammer. That's going to be changing pretty soon. Not hitting it hard, just putting down the high spot. 2 high spots. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That was the trick. So now we'll cut that off and we'll clean it up a little bit more and mud it up. So as you can see, I've done these, and I thought, well, you know what? Might as well just run some video of it doing it. So here we go. Got my spot. Press down. Pull the trigger. Bam. It's real easy. Whoop, I dropped one of my studs. Down, push the trigger, bam. I clipped these off. I'm pretty happy with it. So I thought I'd show you how we remove these. Real easy. Pair of wire cutters. Now we come over them with the disc grinder, smooth them out, and be ready for mud. Alright, I did it. Welded some vice grips to this cotton picker. Now let's see how well it works. My guess it's going to work very well because I've seen on YouTube other people have done this. They were smart people. Now I consider myself a smart person. Alright, we got the lift. Bam, we got the easy release. No more fighting that stupid wheel. Let's do one more, and then I'm going to get back to work. As you can see, I'm hitting it pretty hard, so the vice grip is making a excellent bite. Modified slide hammer. Beats that stupid wheel. Well, I am pleased. I didn't get everything done I wanted to, but I got a heck of a lot done. I knocked it down with 40 grit, shot it with the primer. I'll put some guide coat on it after the primer, and then I'll block it out. I think 80 will be too much, so I'll probably block it with a 120 or something like that. Haven't made up my mind which one yet, but Anyway, yeah, making good progress for today. I am pleased. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll film another day and we'll have some more accomplished. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, and everybody have a good one, huh?